Hi, I'm Jeff. Are you worried about the rising inflation gripping our country? Have you been laid off due to the pandemic and struggling to pay your bills? If your answer is yes, then I have good news for you. Now there is a new program called SocialRebel that pays you $50 just to join. Does that sound pretty good so far? But wait, it gets even better. You can even earn more by posting your links on social sites. Here is a screenshot from Bob's first day's earnings. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Now, here is a screenshot from Bob's second day of earnings. And this was just early in the morning. He's just getting started. Just imagine how much you could earn by posting your links on social media each and every day. Now, what about you? Wouldn't you want a more carefree life without any financial worries? Would you love to take your family on more vacations and forget about lockdowns? If so, then just click the link below and start to enjoy life more by using SocialRebel. Thanks for watching and stay safe.